Ngibingelele kuwe laleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mangabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze ukulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezeleke ibhathini usubscribe nje awubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje esiloke siyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke kuze ngakuphuthi lezi ndaba ongawenzanga njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe-ke ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke i-MK-ke siphinde-ke yathatha-ke omunye-ke othintekayo-ke laphana-ke noma-ke obandakanyayo laphana-ke ne-EFF laphana-ke ithatha-ke elinye-ke ilunga-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi wezwa ngami kuphela into nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke yosisi-ke eveza-ke yonke-ke into-ke laphana-ke uvela-ke obala-ke laphana. Ngicela ukuthi masuzulekele ividiyo yonke nama-comment section-ke ufisho uvo lwakho ukuthi na ucabangani-ke ngalokho lolu daba-ke lolu masicindezela ibhathini nje usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje akukhiphe nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje siloke siyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke eli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ngenza njengamanje ukuthi ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Another EFF member has joined the MK. And I just want to say, there are a lot of people who join the EFF from other parties. And I don't know this obsession with all these parties that when a member from the EFF joins their party, they even do like a welcoming, a what. So there is a lady, I'm going to attach the pictures now, ex-chair lady or something from Limpopo who joined the MK. And they are posting about it. And so my question still stands, Ukuti. So you are still going to say we are family? So you are still going to say we are brothers and sisters, we must unite, wara. Unite for what? Unite at whose cost? Unite at whose cost? So apparently this is the resignation where she says, please receive my resignation as the member of the EFF effective immediately. She is the former chairperson. Yeah, she's the former chairperson of Limpopo, who joined Marak. But commissar, akayo commissar ku MK. She was only a commissar ku EFF and magahambe. So, but my question comes to a point where nisi tubana, we are a family. Wara. We are a family. We are a family. One of the fighters on Twitter posted and said, Nitisitule kanjani. More will follow. Tima Paul, I don't know what that means. Julius Malema. I'm actually disappointed by Commissar Chilidzi Maraga. EFF Limpopo chairperson moves to the MK. Nonetheless, Advocate Randani Munyani says, Sitembele kuwe. History has once again vindicated you. This is the lady in the middle. This is her here while she was in the EFF. And you guys want to say we are family. We must work together. Hey, we must unite. At whose cost? Hey, son. Let me know what you think, fighters. In fact, before you let me know what you think, let me tell you what I think. We are not, this is what I think. We are not a family. We are not a team. We are not working together. MK is our opposition. They are our enemy. This thing of blacks must unite, it's not going to cut it. They are not our team. They are not our friends. They are eating our lunch and we need to deal with them accordingly. That's on period.